তোমাদের দীর্ঘদিন পরে যে রিঅ্যাকশনের সঙ্গে আলোচনা করব সেটা হলো সাবস্টিটিউশন রিঅ্যাকশন। সাবস্টিটিউশন রিঅ্যাকশন যদি বলতে হয় এটা কি, কেমনভাবে, বাংলায় যেটা বলা হচ্ছে প্রতিস্থাপন বিক্রিয়া। তাহলে সাবস্টিটিউশন বিক্রিয়ায় substitution reaction is that reaction where any group or atom present in a organic compound which can replace by another group or atom, this called is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction, according to the character of replacement group, it is three kinds. One is nucleophilic substitution reaction, another is electrophilic substitution, and third is the free radical substitution. If the replacement group hydroxide where negative in charge, cyanide, ammonia, that is the large density of electron, or water where the rich electron in oxygen. This nucleophilic substitution is denoted by, or nucleophilic reagent are denoted by Nu negative, and electrophilic substitution where the replacement group, that is the reagent, is hydrogen, protonic hydrogen, halogenium, that is polonium, bromonium, and hydronium, etc. And free radical may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, or 3 degree of carbon radical, etc. Free radical substitution, free radical is denoted by R with a unshared electron, and electrophile substitution is denoted by E positive, and nucleophile substitution reagent is denoted by Nu, which is lab for nucleus, that is nucleophile substitution reagent, and which is lab for electron, that is electrophile substitution. And free radical is there is remain only one unpaired electron, that will be similar dissociation, then it will be free radical. Nucleophilic substitution, two types. One is Sn1 and another is nucleophilic substitution Sn2. Sn1 means that unimolecular nuclear substitution reaction. Sn2 means that bimolecular nuclear substitution reaction. If the reagent is have 3 degree alkyl halide, at first decompose into carbocation, and halogen will be replaced as halide, which is equation number 1. This carbocation is then attacked by nucleophilic reagent, then it will be 3-degree alcohol. This reaction happened in 2 steps, but its rate of the reaction depends on the only reactant. So it is unimolecular substitution reaction. Which reaction is containing 2 steps, but which depend on the concentration of reactant, then the reaction is called Sn1 reaction. Another is biomolecular nuclear substitution reaction, that is Sn2, where 8-degree alkyl halide attacked by nucleophilic reagent background, then it is formed a transition state PS, where the carbon is pentavalent, which is impossible. This is the transition state, which is unstable. Then by release of halogen from here, then it will be established the product. This reaction depends on the reactant and reagent. So this reaction happened in only 1 step, but it is depend on the reactant and reagent, so it is called Sn2 reaction. A rate of the Sn2 reaction, 1st-degree alkyl halide is greater than 2 degree, 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. And in the case of Sn1 reaction, it will be reverse. That is, rate of the reaction 3 degree will be greater than 2 degree alkyl halide, and 1 degree alkyl halide is less reaction rate. Or the reaction rate of Sn1 reaction, 3-degree alkyl halide is greater than 2 degree, 2 degree is greater than 1 degree. In the case of bimolecular substitution reaction, it is the reverse of Sn1 reaction. Sn1 reaction is that reaction where the rate of the reaction depends on the reactant, and Sn2 reaction is that reaction where the rate of the reaction depends on the reactant and the reagent. This is called a reactant and this is the reagent. If the reagent is nucleophilic, then it will be nucleophile substitution reaction. If the reactant is electrophile, then it will be electrophile substitution reaction. And also, if the reactant is free radical, then it will be free radical substitution reaction. This is the substitution reaction. Substitution reaction generally denoted by Sn. Sn means that nucleophilic substitution reaction. Sn reaction 2 types, where Sn1 and Sn2. Here simply discuss about the Sn1 and Sn2 and substitution reaction. This is very, very important for intermediate students those are examining. If instead of R CH3, then it will be tertiary halide, 3-degree halide. If R is 2 containing CH3, then it will be 2-degree, and if the CH3 is 1, then it will be 1-degree alkyl halide. Thanks for all.